Greeted smartphone. We're going to be looking at how we can use Smartart right here in our Microsoft Word document. Right, we're going to go right up to the Insert tab. We're going to click. I want to click on the Insert tab. Right, so this is the Smartart. We're going to click on it. When you click on it, what do you see? All. You show a list. This is what it looks like. Process right here. Right here, cycle, hierarchy. But I can answer with the relationship right here. You see metric. Right, pyramid. I can also insert picture in it and all that. Right, so if I come right here and I select it, you notice it going to show a display right here, and I can also click. I want to click right here. You notice you show right here. I can actually click in here, so and just type. I can come right over here. All right, so what I'm going to type in here, something right here. You notice it's appear here. If I click right here and type again, you notice it's appear right here. Notice it's appear right here. Just the same. Notice right here. So definitely right here. So I can come right here and close it. But you notice I can come right here and change it if I want. You notice? I can come right here, so change it just like that and change it to where I want it. Right? If I put it this on this look like I can come right here. I can actually change the color, change the type right here, change the color right here. Notice? Change the color. Like that. Notice when I click, there you go right here with it. Then I get now want to make some more adjustment. It will come right here. Can get some more adjustment right here. I'm going to come right a little pointer right here. Now I'm going to click. Notice when I click, right? This one right here should give you a different type. Come right here, notice. Right, so you can use different type of part right here. Your document, just like that. Notice you can turn it anywhere you want it to turn it. Just like that. So click on that one. You can actually extend it. You can try to just the same. Very important. So this is how you actually use it right in the Microsoft Word document. And later if you wanted to change it, you can actually click back on it like that. If you notice right, you should format to show a design. You can actually come back and change it if you don't want it just like that. It's very important. So this is how they use Smartart right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.